TV. I'm here with a gun collection, mini gun collection, my handguns. I just actually started collecting firearms, so this is what I acquired in, I say 2 months, 3 months. Mini handgun collection. I'm gonna start off with the first handgun I ever purchased. It's my Glock 44 chambered in .22 long rifle. I got a lot to say about this. It's accurate. Everybody say theirs is messing up. Mine's work perfect. I got about 600 rounds through it. Not even a hiccup. Worked perfect. Fired every round, and I still haven't cleaned it. Yeah, I got the 5-round base plate from 2A 3D print. They good. I messaged them, wrote me right back, ordered it. It was here in 3-4 days. Yeah, I have the back plate on it, the Punisher back plate. I have the Defend-Tech laser and light combo. My light is actually dead right now. I can't find a charger. One of my daughters had it and can't find it. I might just buy a new battery. But yeah, it's my 22, my Glock 44 chambered in .22 long rifle. I love it. Love it. My first firearm that I purchased. I wanted this guy. I seen a couple videos on it. I wanted this guy. When I went to purchase it, it's the only one they had. Don't laugh. It's a nice pink one. I got the 15-round Pro Mag extended magazine in there, and I got the factory made with the pinky extension. It's nice. Nice firearm. All my firearms is clear. All my firearms is clear. The magazines are loaded, but they're clear. I'll take all of mine and show you. But yeah, I like the sights. Nice 3-dot sights. I don't know if y'all can see it. Nice 3-dot sights. I haven't fired a lot of rounds through it. I probably say I got 150. Worked perfect, no hiccup. I haven't tried the Pro Mag, but the factory magazines work perfect. Not even a hiccup. Oh, one thing I don't like about this is the trigger pull. It's kind of long. I got kind of small hands, so it's kind of a long trigger pull, not like my Glock. This is my EDC. It's my third firearm that I purchased. It's my Ruger EC9S chambered in 9mm. If you see my first video, then you seen this. I did a few upgrades to it. Painted the sight, painted the engravings, the Ruger, the magazine, painted both my magazines. And I have the Pro Mag. I mean, all 3 of my magazines. I have the Pro Mag. For y'all who didn't see the first video, I'll show you how it look with the Pro Mag in. I haven't shot the Pro Mag yet. This is how it look with the Pro Mag. Haven't shot the Pro Mag yet, but don't know how it works, but we'll see. But this, I purchased this last month. I took it to the range one time. Fired, I say 180 rounds, almost 200. I say 200 rounds, rounded off. Works perfect. I don't want to sound like a cliche saying all my guns work perfect, but it worked perfect. I'm gonna fire probably another 200 to 300 rounds through it before I clean it. But yeah, my Ruger EC9 chambered in 9mm. My last firearm that I actually purchased this week, didn't fire it yet. It's still brand new. Still brand new. G2C, Taurus G2C chambered in 40. I don't know if y'all can see that. Chambered in 40 cal. I seen a lot of videos on this. I actually didn't know they had the 40. Seen a lot of videos on this. Seen this, picked it up. I like it. Fit nice. Stippling. Fit nice. I actually did a unboxing video for this, but I'ma post my gun collection video first. But yeah, I hear a lot of good things about this. Haven't fired it yet. I hear a lot of good things about this. But this feels so perfect in my hand. The stippling is nice. At first I thought my Ruger fit good in my hand. I really don't like the way my Ruger fit with the 7-round magazine, because if you can see, my hand is still like kind of off of it. And if you shot one of these, you know these are real jumpy. Not a lot of recoil, it's a 9mm, but it's real jumpy because it's a subcompact firearm. It's real jumpy. But the Taurus G2C chambered in 40 cal. I can't wait to take it to the range, get some rounds down on it. Three-dot sight. Picatinny rail for lights, lasers, laser combo with the light. It has the trigger safety. And I hear that the takedown is kind of like the Glock, as you can see. If you've seen Glock before, if you're familiar with Glocks, you have to pull this down to take it down. And this is kind of similar with the takedown. But Taurus G2C chambered in 40 cal. I'm looking for the 9mm. I want the 9mm too, so I can have both. But it's my gun collection. Glock 44 chambered in 22 long rifle. Sky CPX2 chambered in 9mm. Ruger EC9S chambered in 9mm. Taurus G2C chambered in 40 cal. YouTube 838 TV. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate all the love.